Alright, magandang araw sa inyo mga ka-treasure hunter in the Philippines and all over the world. Ngayon ay tatalakayin natin ang cyanide danger in Big Yamashita treasure deposit. Okay, kung tayo ay naghanap ng Yamashita treasure, we expect to encounter a lot of traps, including this infamous cyanide poison. Okay guys, let's talk about a little of history about this deadly cyanide poison. Well, as a treasure hunter, it is expected that you are already aware about the risk involved when we attempt to recover the Yamashita treasures. Japanese Imperial Army in World War II genuinely hid most of their treasure, consisting of deadly traps that only clever, experienced treasure hunter can safely recover. However, there is a little controversy about this poison if the Japanese soldier really used this kind of chemicals as a warfare during the World War II. Matter of fact, there are a lot of bombs connected with cyanide poison recovered in World War II, and this could kill immediately everybody who can inhale or swallow it or taste it. These vials are example of World War II hydrogen cyanide. It is a type of cyanide which is liquid HCN hydrogen cyanide. In this sample here, the tube is being filled with two kinds of cyanide. On the left hand is the HCN, or the hydrogen cyanide. It looks like a ball and a liquid inside the ball. And in the right side of the tube, it is the powder type of cyanide. It is called the sodium cyanide, or NaCN. What is potassium cyanide? Potassium cyanide is a compound with the formula KCN. This colorless crystalline salt, similar in appearance to sugar, is highly soluble in water. Most KCN is used in gold mining, organic synthesis, and electroplating. Smaller applications include jewelry for chemical gilding and buffing. Ang potassium cyanide ay isang colorless or walang kulay na chemical na powder type na parang asukal siya tingnan. At ito'y nakakamatay kung ating matikman or maswallow or kahit ma-inhale man lamang. In World War II, this is the kit given to every soldier. Binigyan sila nito. We're talking about the Japanese soldier who will commit harakiri, the famous suicidal method of Japanese soldier not to surrender but to kill themselves by either using their samurai or their katana or knives, or by swallowing this capsule of cyanide given to them by their superiors. And the third kind of cyanide used in World War II by Japanese soldiers is called the sodium cyanide, NaCN. It is white, water soluble. It looks like sugar and salt. Cyanide has highly affinity for metals, which leads to the high toxicity of its salt. The main application in gold mining. Ang gold mining ang pinakamaraming gamit ng cyanide. Kaya ang mining ay napaka dangerous na negosyo, hindi lang sa kapaligiran kundi sa lahat ng mga tao na malapit sa mining company, kasi ang mga waste na inilabas sa mining company are mixed with chemicals called cyanide, especially the sodium cyanide or the NaCN, na pinakamabagsik at pinaka-strong base compound sa tatlong klaseng cyanide. Ang NaCN or the sodium cyanide ang pinaka-mabangis, pinaka-poisonous at pinaka-deadly. Kaya mga minero, beware kayo sa paghawak ng mga chemicals dyan sa mina. Kaya always wear your gloves and your gas mask when you are working with tunnels and minings and even in treasure hunting. And now, if we are in the hot pursuit of the Yamashita treasure, well, we are digging a lot of tunnels, vertical and horizontal tunnels. So these are the signs we must observe in every walls, in every stone inside the tunnel. There must be some signs like this, curve in the stones or in the stone walls of the tunnel. This one is the katana, or make that the kanji form, kanji symbol for poison. And the next is a kanji symbol for stop. So it happens that there are symbols and signs like this each in the wall or in the stones inside the tunnel. Well, it's a time to think twice or think 100 times before proceeding. At ngayon naman, para maging interesting yung ating video at interesting yung pag-view nyo sa video, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang tinatawag na the Yamashita legendary truck of gold. Saan ba ito makikita? According sa mga treasure hunter sa panahon pa ni Marcos, ito daw ay narito sa Caraga region, starting from Surigao to Butuan. Nandyan lang daw yan sa gilid ng bundok na Kalibing at Tinabunan. Kaya marami pa rin ang naghanap niyan. Pero sa palagay ko, itong truck of Yamashita treasure, the legendary Yamashita truck of gold, sa palagay ko ay ito ay matagpuan sa Surigao City, from the city proper going to the sitio called Anumar. Well, kung ikaw ay treasure hunter na malapit lang sa Surigao City, try to observe the road widening project somewhere near the sitio Anumar. Makikita nyo, araw-gabi merong nag-excavate na excavator at bulldozer doon, pero hindi matatapos ang project kasi meron silang hinahanap doon. Kaya sa aking palagay lang, na nandoon yung legendary truck of gold na inatras sa bundok tsaka Tinabunan during the time of surrender ng Yamashita forces dito sa Mindanao. Ngayon, at kung pag-usapan naman natin ang cyanide, ito ay hinahalo ng mga Japanese soldier sa mga silyadong tunnel. Hinahalo ito sa asphalt or tar or alkitran in dialect. Ito ay malagkit at poisonous at nakakamatay kung ikay ma-expose longer time. Sa World War II, ito ay inilagay sa mga granada, sa bomba, para pagsasabog, maamoy kaagad ng mga kalaban ng mga Hapon. Kaya sila ay namamatay sa gas poisoning using the cyanide chemical. Ang ibang estratehiya naman ng mga Hapones ay lalagyan nila ng tar or asphalt or alkitran ang kada bareta ng gold at hinaluan ng cyanide para kung sino man ang makakuha ay makontaminated siya at may chance na malason siya. Kaya sinasabi nila na may curse daw ang gold. Well, wala namang curse kundi mayroong lason. Kaya kung palagi nating hinawakan yung gold na nakuha natin at mayroon pa siyang alkitran or some kind of black paint, may chance talaga tayo na magkasakit at dahan-dahan ay manghihina. At mabalitaan na lang natin na mayroong namatay na treasure hunter na nakakuha at sinasabing curse daw yon. Pero hindi, sa totoo yon ay poisoning by means of cyanide chemicals. Dito naman pag-usapan natin yung tunnel. Ito ay nakikita ko some parts of Agusan. Meron silang dinidig, inuhukay doon na 10 meters deep na tunnel at hindi nila nakuha yung minimithi na gold bars kahit na marami silang nakuhang symbol at sign inside doon sa tinidig nila na vertical shaft or vertical hole na tunnel. Kasi pag ganitong big deposit of Yamashita treasure, meron talagang mga traps dyan. Karamihan dyan ay bomba, water traps, at poisonous chemicals including the cyanide. Kaya kung malapit na tayo sa deposit na hinahanap natin pag Yamashita treasure yan, careful na tayo kasi meron na yung chemicals na hinahalo sa seal or yung last slab of concrete na makikita natin doon sa 10 meters deep or 8 meters deep. Bago makuha yung treasure ay meron talagang seal or concrete slab na nakatakip sa treasure. At pagbukas mo niyan, sisingaw na ang tinatawag na poison gas at cyanide. Magkasama yung dalawa, methane at cyanide. Kaya konting ingat mga kapatid sa treasure hunting. Okay, FYI naman tayo for your information. Guys, alam nyo ba na kung kakain tayo ng 100 pieces of mansanas or apple, ay tayo'y mamamatay. Kaya sa mythology or sa fairy tale na Sleeping Beauty, ang Sleeping Beauty doon ay nakakain ng malaking mansanas or apple at nakain niya pati buto. Kaya siya nakatulog at parang nagkumatos at matagal siya nagising. Okay, so that's all about fairy tale. Ngayon ay tingnan naman natin at alamin natin kung ano ang mga first aid na gawin natin pag mayroong ma-victim or ma-poison ng cyanide. Okay, immediate symptoms. Makilala natin kung siya ay nalason dahil headache, meron siya. Vomiting, nagsusuka, dizziness, nahihilo siya. At rapid heart rate, mabilis na pagtibok ng kanyang puso. And now, let's take a look on how to make a first aid para sa victim ng cyanide poisoning. Okay, number 1, place on side. Ilagay natin siya sa preskong lugar. Administer oxygen kung mayroong oxygen. Lagyan siya. And remove contaminated clothing. At lagyan ito ng label na contaminated with cyanide para hindi mahawakan ng ibang tao. Wash all contaminated skin with amount of water for at least 20 minutes. Continue treatment until medical assistance arrives. Ang magandang gawin kung merong biktima ng cyanide poisoning ay tumawag ka agad sa pinakamalapit na clinic, hospital or rescue team bago tayo mag-perform ng ating first aid para sa ilang oras lang o segundo darating na yung tinatawagan natin ng mga expert on poisoning. Well guys, ako'y magpaalam na sa inyo at iiwan ko kayo ng kasabihan na nagsasabing in greater risk, there is a greater reward. So take care of your treasure hunting guys, be safe, God bless, and ciao for now.